Let's take a moment or two to walk through the course, figure out how things are organized in Canvas and how to find things. Once you get inside individual pages in the class, you can use the Next button to go to the next page. And of course, the Previous button will take you back to the previous page. Another way to navigate the class is to use modules over here in the course navigation. This is the main organization for the class, and you can see how everything is laid out. You see right now the week 0 module, the orientation module. For everything in the modules, you will find that there is a little icon on the far right. So for example, orientation module overview, I have already seen that page, so there's a check mark there. Welcome letter, I viewed that page, a check mark there. The discussion, I have not contributed to the all about discussion yet, so there is a little circle on the right hand side next to that. So you can always tell where you are in a particular module by looking at the icon to see if it has a check or not. Different things in the module have different requirements. So for example, we have a survey on communication preferences this week. You have to submit that in order to be completed. Some pages are view, some pages are submit. You can also collapse modules. So for example, when you've completed everything in the orientation, you can click the little triangle next to it and collapse it, get it out of the way so you can see the next week's materials. Also, further down on the page, you'll find other resources. For example, textbook information, software, glossary and key terms for the chapters, help and training, quick tips on Photoshop, lots of other information that's not part of the day-to-day work, but will be useful to you here in Photoshop. On the syllabus, you can find the usual syllabus information, including a printable PDF and the individual sections. But a little further down, you'll find a course summary, a list of all the assignments so you can figure out what is due on a particular day. This is a handy list of assignments. Also on the syllabus page, you'll find a calendar. It has a list of all the assignments. I'll also add other important announcements on the calendar. And finally, on the home page, you'll see a to-do list. This is a list of all the things you need to do. That is it. Post any questions you have in the Q&A and personal questions in the Canvas inbox.